world of modern combat aviation, few names carry as much prestige and engineering brilliance as the Dassault Rafale. Developed by France's Dassault Aviation, this twin-engine multi-role fighter has become a symbol of national technological excellence and strategic independence. Unlike aircraft built under international partnerships, the Rafale stands out as a wholly French creation encompassing homegrown avionics, weapon systems, and engines. Its design philosophy emphasizes versatility, allowing it to excel in a wide range of missions, from air superiority and reconnaissance to nuclear deterrence. Since its introduction into service in the early 2000s, the Rafale has proven its worth on the global stage, not only as a combat-proven asset, but also as a leading contender in international fighter competitions. For France, the Rafale represents more than a weapon. It is a declaration of autonomy, innovation, and the ability to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving defense landscape dominated by American and Russian aircraft, origins, and development. From vision to realized story of the Dassault Rafale began in the late 1970s, during a period when European nations were seeking to modernize their air forces. France initially collaborated with other European partners on a joint project that would later evolve into the Eurofighter Typhoon. However, differences in operational requirements and design philosophies led France to pursue its own independent path. The result was the Rafale, a fighter aircraft designed entirely around French defense doctrines. The Rafale first took to the skies in 1986, marking a new era for Dassault Aviation. The prototype showcased a delta wing with canards, providing exceptional maneuverability and aerodynamic efficiency. This design not only reduced drag, but also improved lift and control at both low and high speeds. The development process, while challenging, led to one of the most balanced and aerodynamically refined fighters ever created. After years of testing and refinement, the Rafale entered operational service with the French Navy in 2004, and later with the French Air Force in 2006. It was designed to replace multiple older aircraft types, including the Mirage F1, Super Étendard, and Jaguar, under the philosophy of on-roll, meaning one aircraft capable of performing all missions seamlessly. Design excellence form meets fonction. Rafale's external design is not just aesthetically striking but functionally superior. Its delta wing configuration combined with active canards provides unmatched agility, enabling tight turns and stable flight even during extreme maneuvers. The airframe is constructed from a mix of composite materials, titanium, and aluminum alloys, reducing weight while maintaining strength and radar stealth characteristics. The cockpit is equally advanced, designed to maximize pilot awareness and control. Featuring a glass cockpit with a wide-angle head-up display, touch-sensitive panels, and a voice input system, it enables pilots to manage complex missions efficiently. Dassault's focus on ergonomics ensures that every control input feels intuitive, allowing the pilot to focus entirely on tactical execution rather than mechanical operation. Underneath the sleek exterior lies the Snecma M88 turbofan engines, known for their compactness, fuel efficiency, and thrust-to-weight ratio. These engines provide the Rafale with the power to reach speeds up to Mach 1.8, and its operational range exceeds 3,700 kilometers with external fuel tanks. The Rafale's in-flight refueling capability further extends its endurance, giving it the reach needed for long-range missions and global deployments. Avionics and technology. The digital brain of the Rafale truly elevates the Rafale above many of its peers is its sophisticated avionics suite. Central to this system, the Thales RBE to radar, a cutting-edge active electronically scanned array AES, a radar capable of detecting and tracking multiple targets simultaneously at long ranges. The radar supports both air-to-air and air-to-ground modes, enhancing situational awareness and engagement flexibility. Another vital system, the Spectra electronic warfare suite, which acts as the aircraft's defensive shield. It integrates radar warning, laser detection, and missile alert sensors with jamming capabilities, providing real-time countermeasures and threat evasion. This self-protection system is considered one of the most advanced in the world, often compared favorably to the systems found in American stealth fighters. The Rafale also integrates an advanced data fusion system, which combines inputs from multiple sensors into a single, coherent tactical picture. This allows the pilot to process vast amounts of information rapidly, making faster and more accurate combat decisions. The aircraft can also share real-time data with other allied aircraft, creating a networked combat environment that enhances cooperative missions and overall battlefield awareness. Multi-role capabilities, a true omni-role fighter. Hallmark of the Dassault Rafale lies in its multi-mission adaptability. Unlike aircraft designed primarily for one type of combat, the Rafale can seamlessly switch between missions during a single sortie, a concept Dassault calls the on-roll capability. In air-to-air combat, the Rafale demonstrates superior agility and precision. It can carry an array of modern missiles, including the MBDA Mica, Meteor, and Magic 2, giving it short to long-range engagement flexibility. Its aerodynamic agility allows it to dominate dogfights, while the radar and missile technology make it lethal in beyond visual range engagements for air-to-ground operations. The Rafale excels as a precision strike platform. It can deliver a range of guided munitions such as Scalp cruise missiles, AASM hammer bombs, and GBU series laser-guided bombs. Its targeting pods, coupled with high-resolution sensors, allow it to strike targets with pinpoint accuracy in both day and night conditions. The Rafale's naval variant, the Rafale M, has been specially adapted for aircraft carrier operations. Reinforced landing gear, rester hooks, and folding wings make it suitable for maritime missions, including anti-ship strikes using the AIM-39 Exocet missile. Lastly, in the realm of nuclear deterrence, the Rafale serves as a critical component of France's strategic forces. It is capable of deploying the ASMPN nuclear missile, ensuring France's ability to maintain a credible deterrent independently of any foreign alliance. Combat-proven and globally respected, Rafale's performance is not theoretical. It has been proven in numerous combat operations around the world. From Afghanistan and Libya to Mali, Syria, and Iraq, the aircraft has demonstrated reliability, accuracy, and resilience in real-world missions. It has carried out both precision strikes and complex reconnaissance operations in demanding environments, confirming its operational versatility internationally. The Rafale has achieved significant export success. Nations such as India, Egypt, Qatar, Greece, and the United Arab Emirates have selected it after extensive evaluations against other world-class fighters, including the F-15, F/A-18, and Typhoon. Its blend of advanced technology, operational flexibility, and cost efficiency has made it a preferred choice among countries seeking a long-term multi-role solution.